When the city sleeps, the iX3 comes alive. With intelligent headlights, driver assistance, and near-silent cruising, the future isn't coming, it's already here. Inside, the iX3 feels like a premium lounge. Gesture control, intelligent voice assistant, adaptive mood lighting. This is not just driving. This is interacting with innovation. In the heart of the city, the iX3 is pure sophistication. Smooth, silent, and sleek, it doesn't just move through the city, it commands it. High altitude, high performance. The iX3 handles the climbs with instant torque and zero engine noise. It glides over nature with grace, giving you the thrill of power and the serenity of silence. Talking to a mechanic used to mean guessing problems. Now, it's a digital report, real-time data, and peace of mind. This is not old school. This is precision-powered trust. Forget oil changes and engine tuning. With the iX3, service is smarter. Fewer parts, less maintenance, and full diagnostics at your fingertips. It's not just a car, it's a self-aware machine. Instinct takes you to the fuel pump, but the iX3 doesn't need it. No fuel, no fumes, just pure electric power with a range that lets you forget the gas station even exists. When you first touch the BMW iX3, you feel confidence. The doors are thick, the chassis is rigid, and the entire structure is engineered for strength. No squeaks, no rattles, just German precision in every inch. It's not just built, it's crafted to endure. The all-new 2026 BMW iX3 isn't just an electric SUV. It's a revolution on wheels. From its solid, German-engineered build to its whisper-quiet performance, every detail speaks power and precision. Forget petrol pumps, forget routine oil changes. The iX3 is pure electric freedom. It's smart enough to diagnose itself, and strong enough to conquer mountains with instant torque. Whether gliding through skyscrapers or navigating off-road trails, it adapts, it performs, and it stuns. Inside, you're surrounded by intelligent luxury, gesture controls, digital precision, and total comfort. And when night falls, the road belongs to you. This is the future of driving. This is the 2026 BMW iX3.